What are you seeing on the screen? 59.26 closing price, right? Well, what if I told you that this is not the real price of AMC stock? Yes, you heard me. This is not the real price of AMC stock. In this video, I'm going to cover exactly the main two reasons why it's not and why I think is the actual price. So first of all, guys, we know last Wednesday, the New York Stock Exchange president herself disclosed a bombshell. Our orders are not being executed on the actual exchange because our brokerage firm are sending those and making money in the process to companies like Citadel, which end up not sending our orders in the actual exchange where the share price of stocks that you actually see on your app is calculated. Well, it doesn't surprise me because since January, we have people buying every single day, every single week. But how come with such an amount of buying pressure, the share price is still not even at triple digits yet? I mean, we can even stabilize and consolidate around $65 or $70 a share. Why? Well, because our orders are not sent to where they're supposed to be. Our orders are not, they can do whatever they want. By using also dark pools, okay? By looking at stock grade, you can see this is the actual dark pool data. 500 million shares, almost 500 million shares that are being short sold on these dark pools platforms. Okay, and this it doesn't even make sense because the old float it's less than this amount, guys. So how can they short sell almost the entire float of the whole company, the entire float of the whole stock, if it's not through these dark pools? Just by looking at the name dark pool, it doesn't represent anything safe or right at all, right? So it makes sense, guys. It makes sense that, we are not trading at $100. I mean, look at Tesla. Back in 2020, people were buying. Retailers, suits, institutions, they were buying Tesla. All right. And then week after week, month after month, quarter after quarter, it went from $40 to $1,000. How come we don't see this in AMC? Because of a huge manipulation. But it's about to end, all right? It's about to end. It's definitely about to end. We have time, and that's why I think the actual share price of this thing might be around, at a very minimum, $500. I mean, at the very minimum, 4.1 million people, and I think that number may be even high, okay? How come we have millions of people buying these things since January, and we barely trade at $60? How come we have so many thousands day traders all over the world trading this thing and it still doesn't pop? Well, I showed you. So the next time it dips, don't panic, all right? The next time it's flat, don't panic. If it doesn't squeeze next month or in 2 weeks, don't panic because we own this thing. The SEC is looking, the New York Stock Exchange is also looking into this, and actually it's also took some actions that will consequently increase the pressure on hedge funds. And we know they're going to cover, all right? They're going to cover at a point they are going to cover because we ain't selling, all right?